Are you ready to conquer the wild with the most epic survival gear and mind-blowing gadgets of the year? From high-tech tools to life-saving essentials, we've rounded up the absolute best survival gear that every adventurer, prepper, and outdoor lover must have. Don't get caught unprepared. This list could save your life. So gear up, lock in, and get ready to explore. So let's go.
Number 8. Leatherman Tread is a revolutionary piece of wearable tech that redefines survival gear with style and functionality. This stainless steel bracelet features 29 built-in tools including screwdrivers, hex drives, box wrenches, a cutting hook, SIM card tool, carbide glass breaker, and even an oxygen tank wrench. Crafted from durable 17-4 stainless steel, it's corrosion-resistant and built to withstand the elements. The customizable and adjustable link design allows you to tailor the bracelet to your wrist size and preferred toolset. TSA compliant and travel ready, it's the perfect companion for adventurers, mechanics, or everyday problem solvers. With a 25-year warranty backing its quality, the Leatherman Tread stands out as one of the best survival gear and gadgets available today. Number 7. Titan 2-sided emergency Mylar survival blankets are a must-have for survival. These blankets retain up to 90% body heat. Built from durable Mylar, they're windproof and waterproof. Tear-resistant and reusable for long-term use outdoors. Compact and lightweight for any survival gear kit. Each measures 52 inches by 82 inches, weighing just 0.1 pounds. The 17-micron thickness adds strength without bulk. Ideal for hiking, camping, or emergency preparedness. Reflective surface can signal for help in danger. Also reduces floor signature for stealth situations. Comes individually folded and sealed for easy storage. Perfect for bug-out bags and first aid kits. Whether it's cold, wet, or windy, stay protected anywhere. Titan delivers premium performance in extreme conditions. That's why it's top-rated best survival gear and gadgets.
Number 6. CRKT Spark N Sharp Fire Starter is a versatile tool. It combines a magnesium fire starter with a sharpener. The tungsten carbide sharpener keeps your knives razor sharp. Its compact size fits easily in your pocket, weighing only 1.3 ounces. It's very lightweight. The durable nylon handle has a glass fiber liner. It's built to handle tough outdoor use. A sliding plate lets you access both tools. The magnesium rod produces sparks quickly and reliably. A handy lanyard keeps the tool secure and close. This fire starter is perfect for survival kits. It works great in all weather conditions. CRKT Spark N Sharp is a must-have gear. Ideal for camping, hiking, or emergencies. It ranks high among the best survival gadgets. This tool makes fire starting and sharpening easy. Compact, durable, and reliable, truly essential outdoors.
Number 5. Gerber Bear Grylls Survival Belt is a smart, durable tool. It features a 2-inch wide nylon webbing belt. The buckle is made from strong 6061 T6 aluminum. Inside the buckle, there's a hidden compartment. This compartment holds a fishing kit and signaling mirror. It also includes a mini screwdriver for quick fixes. The back has a zippered pocket for small essentials. You can store cash or a fire starter there. The belt works as a traditional strap or rope. It's lightweight, weighing only 5.5 ounces. This belt fits all sizes comfortably. It's perfect for everyday wear or emergencies. The Gerber belt is great for survival situations. It's a must-have for the best survival gear and gadgets category. Its compact design combines convenience with practical survival tools. If you want reliable gear, this belt delivers.
Number 4. CRKT FE7 Tactical Knife is built tough and reliable. It features a 7.38-inch 01 tool steel blade. The black powder coat adds corrosion resistance. The hollow grind ensures sharp, precise cuts every time. Its aggressive drop-point blade excels in survival tasks. The black G10 handle offers a solid grip. Full tank construction boosts strength and durability. The knife includes a glass fiber reinforced sheath. The sheath is MAL compatible for easy carry. Sharp top edge and finger grooves improve handling. Slightly angled handle adds ergonomic comfort. It comes with a thermoplastic rubber FE9 trainer, weighing just 13.3 ounces. It's balanced well. This knife is perfect for survival gear kits. Its tactical design meets the needs of outdoorsmen. A great addition to the best survival gadgets. Perfect for tough jobs and daily use. Number 2. Kingii Inflatable Flotation Bracelet is a compact lifesaver. It fits comfortably on your wrist and weighs just 168 grams. The device inflates in under 2 seconds by pulling a simple lever. It provides 57 newtons of buoyancy, enough for people up to 130 kilograms. The bright orange balloon is highly visible in emergencies. Kingii includes a whistle and compass for extra safety. Made with durable nylon and polyester materials. It's built to last. The silicone wristband adjusts to most sizes. Perfect for adults and kids. It's reusable with replaceable CO2 cartridges and refillable balloons. Ideal for swimming, surfing, and fishing. This bracelet adds crucial support without bulk. While not a life jacket replacement, it boosts survival chances in water. A must-have for anyone seeking reliable survival gear and gadgets. Lightweight, practical, and ready when you need it most.
Number 1. Gerber Armbar Drive is a versatile 8-in-1 multi-tool. It features a sharp 2.5-inch fine-edge blade. The blade uses durable 5cr15 MOV steel for strength. It includes a bit driver with flat and Phillips bits. A pry bar and bottle opener add more utility. The tool also has a hammer and scissors. An awl is included for tougher tasks. Its handle is textured anodized aluminum for grip. The liner lock keeps the blade safely secured. It weighs just 3.1 ounces, making it light. Closed length is compact at 3.58 inches. Overall length opens up to 6.49 inches. One-handed opening is possible with some effort. Its compact size fits easily in pockets. This multi-tool is perfect for everyday carry. Ideal for best survival gear and gadgets kits. Durable, lightweight, and packed with essential tools. A reliable companion for survival and daily tasks. In conclusion, having the best survival gear and gadgets can make all the difference in any emergency or outdoor adventure. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And share for more awesome survival tips and gear reviews.